So this is how you can highlight a text in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to highlight your texts. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's get started by opening CapCut. Once here, make sure you have a video added, and now you're going to want to tap on text, and then add text. Now just type whatever you want. I'm just gonna put hello. Once that's done, we're going to want to go to style. So just simply color it however you want. I'm just gonna set it to white. And now let's go to animations. In the In tab, just simply scroll down until you can find karaoke. You can change the color however you want. It can be yellow, which is probably the most common one, or red, or just black, but you can't really see it, so I suggest going yellow. And you can also change the pace. This one is faster. If you slide it down, it's gonna go slower, and if you slide it up, it's gonna go faster. So that is how you can highlight a text on CapCut. As you can see, if I play it, it's going to highlight it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.